The humble egg is such an important part of my diet, and I'm sure for a lot of you out there, it's the same. It's full of nutrients and protein, and I'm going to hero it by using all these herbs and the eggs to make a green frittata. Now, before I get onto the eggs, I'm going to roughly chop a big handful of herbs. I have a combination of dill, coriander and parsley, but you can use whatever you like. I'm going to roughly chop that, and I'm really happy to use the stalks for this. Just make sure you give it a good wash into a food processor. And I'll add an onion and a leek. Now I have sweated this off in some olive oil so it's nice and soft, and I've just allowed it to cool slightly. So in that goes. And I'll give this a good blend until it's finely chopped. All right, that is finely chopped. I'll add some baking powder now. A little baking powder is going to help it lift while it cooks and also retain the greenness of our herbs. Now for our eggs. I need 5 eggs for this recipe. We're going to break them into a bowl, then place them in with our herbs and give it another blend until it's all combined. That's combined nicely, so green. So I'll take the blade out and we can start cooking this. Now, I just want my pan to be on a medium to high heat. Non-stick is great for this, and a splash of extra virgin olive oil. And we'll add our egg and herb mixture. Now, as soon as you see the eggs starting to set, I like to finish it off under the grill. By doing this, we get an even colour on the top and the bottom, and it won't take long at all under the grill. It'll take about 5 to 6 minutes, but keep an eye on it. You just want it set. Well, this took no time at all to cook, and let's flip this. So, large plate. And then to decorate this, some fresh herbs. So more coriander over the top, some parsley. And if you love pepper, pepper and eggs go well together. So a little bit of pepper over the top. Green eggs. You can see that I dressed appropriately for the occasion. I think this is a fantastic breakfast. This is enough for 2 to 3 people. It's going to keep you full until lunchtime.